All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. They call me H. Here to go over my trades for the day. Uh, man, so close to greatness today, man. So close to greatness. My top two gainers today were pins and CIFR, and I had my attention on the right one, CIFR, and my level was pretty good in hindsight. Uh, I didn't take this here because of this wick. This wick was crazy on massive volume and it rejected the same place, rejected pre-market high, same place it got slapped in pre-market. So this was an obvious no trade to me, but the buyers just they stepped up, man, and pushed it, made a new high of day, got slapped again after making a higher high, and then the next candle made another higher high. So even with these wicks, I'm like, well, the buyers are pushing it higher and higher. So let's see if it comes down to my level. Came down to my level, lower volume on the pullback. So I slapped it. And we were looking good. And then I got wicked out, man. I got wicked out. And instead of staying focused on the best thing in play, I moved over to pins. Like, look at this diabolical opening candle, bro. Like, we basically gapped up into the 200 EMA and got slapped, like, mercilessly. And I just took this, the pullback, it got the low volume pullback or whatever, but it's right in the middle of the range. Right in the middle of the range, man. I got one candle in my favor. And then it crashed out back to this level down here. Like, that's why you don't buy in the middle of the range. You buy at support. But anyway, this was just not the stock to give any attention to. I should have taken it off of my watch screen as soon as this played out like this. Cause man, after getting wicked out right here, my target on this, I probably was gonna sell through 20. I probably was gonna sell some through high of day, but 20 was like a reasonable target. But based on the daily, I was like 2024, man. I think we can get to 2024. And bro, look what happened. Like, this was the low of this move right here. All I needed to do was hop back in or wait for the next pullback. But the level held, man. It clearly got bought up. I started to sell my position in pins at break even and come back over here. I wish I would have, man. It was definitely the right thing to do. But, hindsight. But, man, I mean, from this move, we broke high of day, pulled back, lower high, another lower high, and that thing ran exactly to my target and way beyond. So that's a bit frustrating, but there's some things that I'm happy about. I had the right stock, had the right level, just got wicked out. And instead of staying put and looking for a way back in, I moved to a stock that was clearly not in play, and that was my mistake. So something to learn from today for sure, and some good things to be happy about too. But man, so close to greatness, bro. So close, man, to all the R's. It just be like that sometimes, though. But learn some good lessons from this trade, from these two trades today. And I've been getting better at canceling out things on my watch list because I had another stock or two that I was had on my watch screen over here, and I was like, nah, I'm getting rid of that. And I just really needed to get rid of pins and just keep all my focus on CIFR. And I've said that the chances of me going 0 for 3 on a stock in play is slim. And if I would have taken another swing on this, I probably would have been cool, unless I tried it up here. But yeah, man, daggone it. A little violin for this one, man. Mm-mm-mm. What a runner. But the strategy's working. My scanner's giving me in play stocks. I'm picking the highest volume ones and using, you know, the other criteria to select which one to trade, which was daily in the opening structure. And so CIFR was the place to be. It was the trade to take. I just got wicked out, man. Just got wicked out and kind of crumbled from there. But I'll do better next time, you know, God willing. But yeah, that's all, man. I moved my max loss down from 3R to 2R just because my average win is 3R now, 3.5R ish. And I just don't want to have my max loss days that close to my winning trade. Like, I want a winning trade to blow out my red day. So we're doing 2R now. Also, I look back at my journal and I realized that I had virtually no days where I went down 2 trades and then made it back on the third. Like, usually the third one was a loser too. So let's just call it quits after two losses, you know, and just come back the next day. You know, so yeah, that's all. Little red day, but we shall be back tomorrow, God willing. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description, and I'll let y'all tomorrow. Peace.